Hi guys, how are you? I'm going to unbox these mini Hedgehog dinosaurs. So do you see the back? I think this is the thing I'm going to get in this and this and this. I'm going to open it. Oh, this is like that movie we watched. It's the same graphics, but not open any dinosaurs. Whoa, there's a book. And these dinosaurs, cool. Okay, wait a second. Wait a second. Going to open it. Wow, there's a T-Rex. This is a cool T-Rex with the animations. It got big chomping power and big footsteps, and other dinosaurs can track it down. But also the other people will try to track it and put it in the cage, but the T-Rex can break through. Also, in some games, it'll just get shooten and it'll take a lot of hits. It got big footsteps. Also, big chomping power. Also, it got strong bones. Also, this is not the same dinosaur as Raptor Blue. Also, it got chomps. Whenever it sees predators, it will chomp break through other dinosaurs, but it's not like in the movie. But also, it got strong head bones. And also, the mouth is, these teeth and the mouth are pretty strong because his teeth will be pretty sharp. It will eat you or haul on the human. And this neck is pretty much where the humans get swallowed through his belly. And the next one is with these hands. These are very tiny. This is so funny. Also, it's kind of hard. It's with the black color. And these strong legs is so big. And there's a bunch of details in this. Oh my gosh. That's in the movie. It will be big, right? Also, it will move the tail, right? Also, I can do the spinning action with it every day. These black, strong nails are kind of strong. So, some of them are some of the T-Rex's skin color. Don't see that part and don't see this leg also because there's also the skin part. Don't even see it. And there's that teeny hands again, but it'll be like, oh, I don't know. The eyes, these are yellow color eyes, but the eyes look like an alien eye to me. Oh my gosh. Second one is the Raptor Blue. It's kind of bright in color with that cyan blue and that blue. Wait, the mouth inside, I'm gonna check. His legs are. That's pretty tiny, right? This is kind of like a raptor, but it got some color. It's Raptor Blue, but so I don't have these friends though. It kind of goes a lot fast. It's faster than a human. It got one attack. It's jumping and attacking its prey. And this kind of mouth. Wait, the blue mouth is kind of. Wait, I need red, right? Why there's blue skin color? Oh, that's weird. Okay. Thinking power. It got a lot of thinking power. It's pretty much smart. This tail is pretty much smaller. It's smaller than the T-Rex one. Look, see, they're kind of similar. Hands are kind of like pretty sharp. It can actually scratch prey, like the same thing with the other attack, like the jumping attack. The next one is the Dilophosaurus. So the spitting powers may acid. It spit on some human's face. In 1 minute, they'll die. And then the spitting lot. Spitting is a lot. It can stay there forever because it's that their attacks. And their tail is more small. What? Why is more smaller than Raptor Blue's tail? Do you see the tail sizes? Is pretty much lesser. It's kind of small. Also, it can also move the tail like the T-Rex. With the hard T-Rex tail and the raptor and this is that also. The eyes are orange. Also, I'm gonna spit that you again. Okay, this body is very much smaller than any dinosaur. Oh my gosh. This neck is pretty much small. It can eat humans and small things. Not very much big things. Big things like a T-Rex to take down, it will not pretty much eat it because they'll just take cuts out and then eat it. But also the hands look like it's me, Mario. But also Sonic and that Pixel are yes, like well, that's how it looks like. Also, these things are, I think, the spitters. This is going back to the box. The next one is the Parasaurolophus. It got those blue stripes I like, and that blue head, and that gray, and it will also run. Intelligent is not intelligent-y. So it'll just run to a dinosaur and make the dinosaur chase down and die. Also, I don't know why, but also the hands look like that. That's pretty much how it looks like to me. It eats leaf, like that T-Rex, but the raptor and the Dilophosaurus eat meat. This is the only leaf eater. Also, kind of the tail is also smaller. Look, see, this is bigger, and this is smaller. That's not what it looks like. It looks like, and this thing, it looks like it's walking on nothing. It's a friendly dinosaur. It don't hit anybody. It just eat leaf and do his business. And by itself, and the head and the intelligent is not too much. It's just less power, 1 power of that. It got no taxes, but it got long feet, look like a standing, trying to be taller. Also the blue. The blue, not the same blue as Raptor blue. They're different kind of blue. This is kind of like a visible blue, and this is kind of like light blue with that normal blue. And it got black eyes. That kind of creeped me out because it kind of like an alien. Because aliens are having that black eyes and they're green, but this is not alien, it's dinosaur. And the stepping eye is something like all the other dinosaurs, or the 3 dinosaurs have. That runs out of my face. That's it, guys. The next video is coming soon because there's one more. Is the book. And bye, and don't forget to like and subscribe.